Hey, do you want to learn how to delete multiple sources in Gemini Notebook LM? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. So let's say I go inside one of my notebooks here. It has 10 sources. I can go inside it. And then on the left hand side, you do not have an option to delete multiple sources. Like you cannot just select all of those and delete it. You do need to go over each of these, click on these three dots and then remove the source one by one. So what if you want to delete multiple sources? There is a tool for that, a browser extension. So you need to go over to Chrome Web Store, or you can go over to this website, nlmtools.com. And then on it, you'll find this over here on the top right corner, add to Chrome, or you can also add to Firefox if you've got Firefox browser on your computer. It's going to take you over to this Chrome Web Store page, and then you can add to Chrome. Currently, I have added it already. That's why it says remove from Chrome button. Now on top here, on your browser, you'll find this puzzle icon. Click on that. And then under extensions, you'll find Notebook LM for Gemini Notebook. You can pin it by clicking on this button, and then it will get pinned right here on top. Let's go back to notebook.google.com and we will refresh the page, and it will show you this on top here. On the top right here, you can press on this cog icon, and it's going to take you over to the Chrome extension page right here. On top, press on this notebooks, then scroll down. You'll find this Tyrant King's notebook right here. We'll press on the sources, then we scroll down again, and we will find all the sources here. We can just select all of them by pressing on this tick mark. It's going to select all of these sources. On the top bar here, you just need to press on this delete button, and then it's going to give you this pop-up, remove 10 sources. It will be permanently removed. So you just need to press on this remove button that shows up, and it's going to delete all the sources like this. And yeah, that's it. 10 sources are removed. It's a really useful tool if you do not want to remove the sources one by one. And yeah, that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Notebook LM related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.